Hi there! Welcome to the Western Fair Merchant Registration Portal. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the application process step by step. We'll also explain why we collect certain information and why providing as much detail as possible helps us create the best experience for both you and our fairgoers. Before we dive into the details, please keep in mind that submitting this application does not guarantee participation. Booth placement and product approvals are at the discretion of the show manager to ensure we meet fair standards. If approved, you'll receive a booth proposal within 7 to 10 business days, followed by your official confirmation and invoice. Starting on page 1, you'll find essential details about the fair, including key deadlines, move-in and move-out schedules, and our daily operating hours. Please read these sections carefully to ensure your team is prepared. If you have any questions, as you read through, you can reach out to our team using the contact information displayed right here on the screen. Next, we move into company account details and your booth contact info. Please ensure every field here is filled out accurately. This is the primary way we'll stay in touch regarding your application status, invoices, and logistics. So double check those email addresses and phone numbers. Now, let's talk about social media details. We notice many applicants skip this, but we highly encourage you to fill it out. Providing your handles helps us get to know your brand. Plus, it allows us to potentially feature your products in our marketing, help build a buzz for your booth, and connect you with the wider Western Fair community. Let's help each other grow. On page 2, we want to hear about your vision. This section is all about your specific needs so we can place you in the best possible spot to succeed. First, select your preferred location. You can choose between the JR Expo Center for an indoor setup or the Midway Crystal Promenade if you prefer being outdoors. Follow that up by selecting your required booth size. If you have specific requirements, use the additional booth notes section to let us know. Most importantly, booth photos. We want to see the look. Please upload photos of your setup from past events. This helps our team visualize how your brand fits into the fair's atmosphere. Just a quick heads up on the additional costs section, a mandatory 25 cafe levy will be added to your final invoice. Keep in mind that other costs like insurance, electrical, or extra passes will be calculated based on your specific needs later in the process. Moving on to page 3. This is where you tell us exactly what you'll be bringing to the fair. Select the categories that best suit your business. Please be detailed here. Only items that are listed and granted approval are permitted to be sold or displayed. We aim for a high-quality, family-friendly environment, so please ensure your products are appropriate for all ages. Think of this as your chance to show us why our guests will love your booth. Upload high-quality photos of the products themselves. On page 4, we ask, how did you hear about us? It might seem like a small detail, but it helps us understand which of our outreach efforts are working so we can continue to find and support great local vendors like you. Finally, we have the opportunities section. This is where you can opt in to level up your presence at the fair. Let us know if you're interested in media interviews, providing prizes for giveaways, or exploring sponsorship opportunities. These are fantastic ways to get your brand in front of even more people. Finally, you'll notice the communication agreement. This is just to ensure you don't miss a thing. It allows the Western Fair District and our official show suppliers to send you vital updates. And that's it. Once you've reviewed everything, hit submit. We can't wait to see what you bring to this year's Western Fair. Thank you for being a part of the community, and we'll be in touch soon.